Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm bringing you a beautiful wooden lantern. And for that we're going to use the steering sticks from Walmart, paint sticks from Walmart that I just cut out because it's easier to start the DIY that way. So I'm going to give you the measurements in the description box down below. And what we're going to make, it's the frame of our lantern using those wooden steering sticks and using our hot glue. Also, we're going to use this shower curtain ring that I spray painted in black. So let's get started, and remember, those measurements will be in the description box. We are going to use one package and one extra steering stick, and we're going to cut the 6 inches, those are 2, and 4 of the 3 inches, and that will make our base and our top for our lantern. Right now I'm making the bottom part using the 6 inches and the 3 inches, and now I'm adding the 10 inches pieces that will be the sides for our lantern. If you prefer to use wood glue or maybe A6000 with hot glue, that would be a lot better because your lantern would be a lot sturdier. I'm using hot glue for the sake of the video, and as you can see I'm fighting a little bit with my hot glue gun because sometimes hot glue just gets stuck and won't come out. So I will continue adding my steering sticks to the sides so I can make the frame for my lantern. That's what we're making right now. And I add 4 of them to the sides and remove the excess of hot glue because hot glue and paint won't mix. So continue adding. You add 4 of them. Wait until the glue sets, and then you're gonna take this base that I have from Walmart and a candle, add it to the center, and you're gonna make the top part or lid of your lantern using the other 6 inches and the remaining 3 inches pieces. Remove the excess hot glue, and this is how it looks. Now we're taking it and hot gluing it to the top part of our lantern, as this one is the lid of our lantern. You just hot glue it and get it together and put it where it belongs, and that's it. And we take our shower curtain ring and we're gonna hot glue it to the top of our lantern, just like that. Now we're gonna take our paint, our burnt umber paint, and we're gonna mix it with water like that until we get a watery mixture of paint, and that's our stain. If you prefer to use stain, you can use stain, but as I'm doing it on the indoors, I prefer not to use stain because that stinks a lot. And now I'm removing the excess of paint, and you're gonna repeat that all around your lantern, just like that. We continue painting and removing the excess, and you're gonna repeat that all around your lantern. It's just like working with stain, but water-based and without the smell. And continue adding your paint like that and cleaning up. And now I'll be showing you a little bit more of the painting on the inside, so you can see that we're painting the inside and out of our lantern. And that will be it. You glue your base and that's it. You have it. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, we have a wooden frame We have our base on the inside. The top ring, it looks like something from Pier 1 or something like that. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.